friends, this is FirearmPop, and this is a video response to my good friend ShotGunShanni, who's having a zombie contest, and she's giving away some awesome stuff and the zombie bag, and I really need one of those. Okay, so this is my entry into that contest. Now, you may have seen this before, but the latest thing that I have is my zombie awareness bracelet. Now, I have to say this one thing about this bracelet, that ever since I've been wearing this bracelet, I have not seen any zombies at all. So the bracelet works, it keeps zombies away, and everyone needs one to wear. The zombie bracelets come in not only the double wide for men, we have a single wide for women and men, and a child size. Now, I hear zombies coming, but they won't get close because I am wearing my zombie awareness bracelet. We also have a lanyard to keep I got zombies approaching, which is gonna blow my whole deal here, but they won't come close. This is my entry into ShotGunShanni's zombie contest. This is FirearmPop. Be safe out there, and God bless. Bye now.